Welcome, this is Rozani. I made an angel and a fairy. She can be either one, simply by interchanging the wings. I've begun with paper and liquid starch, as well as papier mâché pulp. And I'd like to share with you a bit of what I've done so far. At this point, this is still a work in progress, and I'm trying different things and exploring many possibilities, including a little companion animal, like this little bird, which will be a raven. I began her face using papier mâché pulp on a wooden spoon by simply adding a few indentations. And here we have a close-up. Once the face dried, I was able to pencil in some details, and then I added some twisted hair strands. Here are the paper wings still in progress. I would like to teach you how to make this. If you are interested, please let me know. Did you know that you can start this off with sheets of newspaper? And if you're unfamiliar with this technique, I hope that this will help you. There's so many things going on behind the scenes in my workshop, and I need help. I couldn't do it without my little helpers who love to stay busy all year round, especially at Christmas time. Yes, they're most helpful in every aspect of my tutorials. They are the busiest, of course, but they're ready to help with all of my projects at a moment's notice because workshops are their thing. So let the season ring. Ask me any questions and I'll turn them over to my elves because they'll be so delighted. And they love to customize things, especially instructions and tutorials. And they'll be glad to do this for you. And because it's Christmas, there's no set price, only a donation to help support their holiday efforts. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now, and wishing you a joyous holiday season.